I bought and tested 5 foldable rollator walkers so you don't have to waste your money. Mobility is vital, and finding the right walker can be a game changer for many. I've put these products to the test so you can feel confident in your decision. Product number 1. Homeland Foldable Rollator Walker. When I first got my hands on the Homeland Foldable Rollator Walker, I was struck by its sleek design and vibrant red color. I took it for a spin around my neighborhood to see how it held up under various conditions. The first thing I noticed was how sturdy it felt. With a weight capacity of 350 pounds, the reinforced frame and double support bars gave me confidence as I navigated over bumps and uneven pavement. The thickened tubing and robust construction assured me that this walker was built to last. Comfort was another essential feature I wanted to test. The adjustable handle and seat heights were a game changer, accommodating users from 4'7" to 6'6". I adjusted the seat to my preferred height and sank into the extra-wide memory foam seat. I immediately felt the difference. The breathable backrest added to the comfort level, making it perfect for longer outings. Safety features are always a top priority, and this rollator doesn't disappoint. The braking system offers 3 modes: free, deceleration, and stop, ensuring I had complete control. I appreciated the pinch-proof folding point design that kept my fingers safe while folding it up. The ergonomic hand grips felt soft and reduced hand fatigue, which I found particularly useful. The 8-inch puncture-proof wheels glided smoothly over various terrains, whether I was strolling through a park or maneuvering around my living room. The quick fold design was incredibly convenient. I could easily toss it in my car trunk without hassle. Pros: strong and durable frame, adjustable height, comfortable seating, excellent safety features, and ease of mobility. Cons: the weight at 20.4 pounds might be a bit heavy for some users, but the durability compensates for that. In short, the Homeland Foldable Rollator Walker is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable companion for daily activities. Its blend of comfort, safety, and ease of use makes it a top pick for seniors and anyone requiring mobility assistance. Product number 2. Vocich Z21 Rollator Walker. I was eager to try out the Vocich Z21 Rollator Walker, especially given its reputation for being lightweight yet sturdy. Weighing only 19.4 pounds, it felt like a breeze to maneuver. I took it to a local park, and the first thing I noticed was how easy it was to fold. The innovative 3-second quick folding design allowed me to transition from walking to storage in no time. When folded, it was compact enough to fit neatly in my car trunk, which is a huge plus for anyone on the go. The ergonomic bionic seat design is a standout feature. I could feel the difference as I sat down. It was like a warm embrace for my hips. The 1.6-inch thick padding provided unparalleled comfort, making it feel like I was sitting on a cozy cushion rather than a traditional walker seat. Plus, the widened, breathable backrest gave me the support I needed without feeling constricted. Safety is paramount, and the Vocich Z21 doesn't skimp in this area. The highly sensitive braking system features 3 modes: free, deceleration, and stop, making it easy for me to control my speed. The reflective strips on the front wheels and storage bags added an extra layer of safety for nighttime walks. What impressed me was the adaptability of the Z21. With dual height adjustments that cater to users between 4'11" to 6'3", I found the seat and handle heights easy to customize. This adaptability made it comfortable for my friends and family who also tried it out during my testing. Pros include its lightweight design, ultimate comfort, all-terrain capability, and excellent safety features. The main con is that the maximum weight recommendation of 330 pounds may limit its use for heavier individuals. So, if you're looking for a rollator that harmonizes comfort, safety, and ease of use, the Vocich Z21 Rollator Walker is a fantastic option. Product number 3. Medline Steel Rollator Walker. When I first encountered the Medline Steel Rollator Walker, I was drawn to its classic burgundy color, but it was the solid feel that truly impressed me. Weighing in at 16.5 pounds, this rollator is not only lightweight, but also boasts a sturdy steel frame with a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds. This combination made me feel secure as I took it for a test run around my neighborhood. One of the most appealing features was the ergonomic handles. They were easy to grip even for someone like me with average strength. The braking system is straightforward. I simply pushed up to stop and pushed down to lock. It made me feel in control, which is crucial for a walking aid. I appreciate this design especially for seniors or those with fragile hands. The potted seat and backrest were a delightful surprise. Measuring 12 by 12 inches, the seat provided ample space for rest during my walks. I often find myself needing a break, and this rollator allowed me to pause comfortably. Underneath the seat, there's convenient storage, which can hold small items like a water bottle or purse, making outings more practical. While testing the Medline rollator indoors and outdoors, the 6-inch wheels rolled smoothly across various terrains. They weren't as large as some competitors, but they still provided decent maneuverability. It was a joy to use this walker both in my living room and at the local park. Pros include a durable steel frame, comfortable potted seating, easy-to-use brakes, and smooth mobility. The only downside might be its slightly limited wheel size compared to other models, which could affect performance on rougher terrains. Overall, the Medline Steel Rollator Walker is an excellent option for those who value simplicity, comfort, and reliability. It's perfect for anyone looking to regain their mobility without compromising on safety. Product number 4. Voisic Z21 Rollator Walker in Klein Blue. The Voisic Z21 Rollator Walker in Klein Blue caught my eye immediately. The color is vibrant and adds a touch of personality to mobility aids. Weighing just 19.4 pounds, I found it remarkably lightweight and user-friendly. During my testing, I took it on a jaunt through a local park, where the quick folding design stood out. In less than 3 seconds, I could fold it up, making it easy to carry and store. One feature I loved was the bionic seat design. It felt tailored to my body, providing comfort that I hadn't expected from a walker. The 1.6-inch thick seat was soft yet supportive, and the widened backrest offered just the right amount of support without feeling restrictive. This walker is equipped for all terrains, thanks to its premium puncture-proof tires. I navigated through grass, gravel, and even a slightly muddy path with ease. The 8-inch wheels were a significant advantage, allowing me to cross obstacles without worrying about getting stuck. Safety was a major focus during my test. The braking system is intuitive with 3 modes: free, deceleration, and stop. I felt secure in my control, and the reflective strips were a nice touch for evening strolls, enhancing visibility. The dual height adjustment made it easy for my friends of various heights to use comfortably. It caters to users from 4'11" to 6'3", so family members were able to customize it to their needs easily. Pros include lightweight construction, ergonomic design, all-terrain functionality, and strong safety features. A minor con is that its maximum weight recommendation of 330 pounds might limit some users. If you're looking for a stylish, functional, and comfortable rollator, the Voisic Z21 is an impressive choice, blending design with practicality perfectly. Product number 5. SoundFuse Rollator Walker. When I first tried the SoundFuse Rollator Walker, I was immediately impressed by its stable and durable construction. The reinforced triangular frame and double crossbar support gave me the confidence to navigate various terrains. Weighing 20.4 pounds, it felt solid yet manageable. I decided to take it to a local shopping center to put it through its paces. The first thing that stood out was the enhanced comfort provided by the biomimetic seat. It conformed to my body, distributing pressure evenly, which is a game changer for anyone who needs to rest frequently. The widened, thickened padding felt luxurious compared to other walkers I've tested, making outings much more enjoyable. Safety is paramount, and the SoundFuse doesn't disappoint. The braking system features 3 modes: free, deceleration, and stop, giving me full control. The pinch-proof folding point design is an excellent feature that kept my fingers safe while folding the walker. Plus, the reflective strips on the walker enhanced my visibility during evening outings, offering extra peace of mind. I also appreciated the dual height adjustment feature, accommodating users from 4'7" to 6'6". This adaptability made it easy for my taller friends to use comfortably, and I found the handle height perfect for my own use. The 8-inch wheels were a blessing, easily overcoming bumps and obstacles in the shopping center. Pros include its solid construction, comfortable seating, excellent safety features, and all-terrain capability. The only downside might be its weight, which could be a bit cumbersome for some users. In conclusion, the SoundFuse Rollator Walker is a fantastic option for anyone needing a reliable and comfortable mobility aid. Its combination of safety features, comfort, and mobility makes it a standout choice. In the end, each of these foldable rollator walkers has its strengths and weaknesses. Depending on your specific needs, any one of them could be the right fit. I recommend considering comfort, safety, and ease of use when making your choice. Happy walking!